Meet the Huawei Pura 80, where stunning design meets cutting-edge innovation. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. At first glance, the Pura 80 turns heads with its refined aesthetics. The ultra-slim body, curved edges, and that bold camera module set it apart. Available in elegant finishes like deep sky black and frost silver, it's a premium device through and through. The 6.7-inch OLED display is a visual treat. Vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth at 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, Huawei's Kirin chipset powers through multitasking, gaming, and AI-enhanced photography effortlessly. Now, let's talk cameras. The Pura 80 boasts a next-gen 50-megapixel ultra-vision camera system with Huawei's XMAGE technology. Low light? No problem. Portraits? Studio grade. And the periscope zoom brings distant subjects closer with crisp clarity. It's not just a phone camera, it's a mobile studio. With a 4,700 milliamp-hour battery and 66-watt SuperCharge, you're powered up fast and ready to roll. HarmonyOS 4 delivers a clean, smooth user experience with smart features tailored to your lifestyle. The Huawei Pura 80 isn't just about specs, it's about experience, power, elegance, and vision in the palm of your hand. Is it your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments.